to one and all. I welcome you for IABS IAS Academy Current Affairs Channel IABS News Bureau. Now we are going to discuss about All India Radio Spotlight Analysis, which is dated on July 1st, 2020. Here, Prime Minister Modi addressed citizens of India and he extended few measures and few programs which are coming under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana to feed the poor people. Before starting into the particular scheme, he also addressed about the present COVID condition which is in India, and he said India's development and India's preventive measure made sure that corona death rate is comparatively in better position when we are comparing with furthermore developed countries. And also he urged all the citizens to take preventive measures with respect to wearing masks and keeping social distance, and also by frequent washing of hands for 20 minutes. Also, he emphasized that this particular increase in case of corona is only due to increasing negligence of citizens when when Indian government started the first lockdown during March 3rd week, March 4th week. We were much more aware about corona and we were having some panic to get rid of corona. Now we are living with corona rather than finding solution to how to get rid of corona. And also he quoted one more incident, especially we need to focus more on containment zone, because nowadays the containment zones are keep on increasing. We can't able to say who is having symptoms and who is not having symptoms, because most of the corona cases which are being recorded in past 1 month, 98% are without symptom. That means all are asymptomatic. And when we are not wearing mask, we are getting one step ahead and we are getting prone to get that particular corona into our body. That is COVID-19 can be easily get inside our body. And he also quote one more incident that was happened in the news. Prime Minister of the country was fined 13,000 for not wearing a mask in a public places, and he said that he paid 13,000 rupee for not wearing mask in public place. And he also stated that rule is similar for everyone and Indian rules is not flexible for one person and it is another for some other person. He said that rule is same for each and every citizen across the country by quoting a statement said that be it may be a village pradhan or a prime minister, no one is above the law in India. That was the statement which is used by Pradhan Mantri, that is our prime minister, while invoking this particular speech. And now we get into the particular scheme called Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. As I said, this particular scheme is introduced by the present government in 2016 to taken care of the basic amenities like food, shelter and skill development of rural people, also to feed the poor and needy person. And this particular Pradhan Mantri scheme already is being provided to all the poor people through ration card, through public distribution system called PDS. Those people who are having a ration card, either it may be APL or BPL, all were being provided food during this corona situation, COVID situation, after that after lockdown has been started in a country. And this particular Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana is extended few more schemes under the particular speech when Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, spoke on this particular day. He in the particular speech he insisted that the scheme worth 1.75 lakh crore has been introduced into this particular system to taken care of the people. What is the major what is the major requirement to invest so much of money inside inside the particular scheme? First one we need to understand is, usually in ration cards only for below poverty line card, government is providing all the ration item at free of cost. After the corona lockdown has been started, government is providing 5 kg of 5 kg of rice or wheat to each and every family, to each and every citizens in a country, which has been provided to more than 80 crore people out of 130 crore populated country. And also they have provided 1 kg of whole chana or some pulses to each and every family per month at free of cost. This is the major intention of the government. That is to make sure that no one is left with an empty stomach. No one should be hungry and no one should die because of not having food. This was the major intention, which is where our Pradhan Mantri, our Prime Minister, introduced this particular scheme. And presently he extended this particular scheme till November. It was started, the free scheme was started in the month of July. Now he is going to extend the scheme for August, September, October till end of November. And this particular scheme also having one more additional point as per our statistical data, which is saying that the quantum when you take the volume of the stakeholders who are receiving the free ration item is equivalent to 2.5 times the population of US, and also it is 12 times the population of UK and twice the population of Europe. That means whatever be the population in our country, they are not worrying about the total population. They are feeding each and every person who are in need of this particular ration items. And also PM, in the end of the speech, he gave a particular statement. This particular scheme is running successfully because due to only two different person. One is, we are getting this all the ration only by hard working of the farmers. By taking all the farming product from the farmers at cheapest rate, government is providing the same grains and same pulses at free of cost to the needy people at particular time when there is a need. At all time government is not providing free rations to everyone. That cannot be possible. For welfare economy and for a progressive economy, we can't able to provide everything at free of cost. Only due to some emergency condition or a pandemic, government can provide few things at free of cost. These things can be provided only by two different institutions. First one is getting all the grains at lower cost by the farmers through the farmer. Second one, we are able to provide the same thing for past 5 months. It is only because of the honest taxpayer who are paying the tax at optimum time, at the present time when it is required. And here you may get into the syllabus of UPSC where this question can be asked. Usually in preliminary examination, the questions are asked based on governmental schemes and policy. Here we may directly get the question stating that what are all the basic schemes where government is providing free fooding ration to the public. And here government is also telling one more thing. All those particular schemes are run through a mechanism called One Nation One Ration scheme. It is under progress. It has not been completely developed throughout the country. Few states are accepted this particular scheme and they are using the scheme. If all the states are agreeing and taking care of this particular one card for one ration, one nation one ration card system, then everyone can able to procure ration item from the ration shop through PDS system wherever he or she is residing, irrespective of their domicile. For example, now in most of the metro cities and capital cities, we are having the population from some other state. That is, maximum population who are working at the lower stage are migrant labor. they may not have their ration card in that particular location where they are coming, where they are being settled for some particular work for some temporary situation. But through this particular scheme, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, and also by implementing the mechanism called One Nation and One Ration Card, we can make sure that all the persons are getting ration at any place within the country. Thank you.